Why does the big tree in the park whisper at night? Well, trees don't really talk, but this one seems to. At night, the wind blows through its leaves, making a soft whispering sound. It's like the tree is telling secrets to the stars. But here's the twist. The tree isn't whispering at all. It's actually a family of owls living in the branches, hooting softly. So next time you hear the whispers, remember it's just the owls saying goodnight. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun stories like this.